Welcome back to my Lowboy build. Yesterday, I missed a detail because you can't really see it in this little guy too well, but I saw it in the pictures of the real one. The tops of these are bent in, so I could bend the plate out. However, I don't think it's going to be wide enough. Once I bend it, I might. I'll try it on one after I do this. But for now, I'm trying to bend this, see if it's doable. And so far, so good. Bend the other side up. Okay, so that was a bit fiddly, wasn't it? So this little piece fits in this one, and it used to fit in this one. So now what I'm gonna do is, instead of bending this, I'm gonna try and bend this and see if I still have enough material to do it. There we go, there's one. Beautiful. Alright, now I got the 4 of these sitting like they're gonna be. So the next thing I'm gonna do is start welding stuff together. Well, I just welded all these up, and it's a shame that this thing wasn't working. It was beautiful. I didn't even need filler rod for most of them with that little overhang I had, just to get it started on the ends, really. Also welded this these little guides on the plate. Man, I wish I didn't miss it. It was beautiful, beautiful work. So now I want to clean up these welds and make it look like they're just one piece. And then on this, I just want to get rid of the scale and this stuff on the outside because I welded on the back. So I just want to clean it up so it looks good. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to try and square things up here a little bit to the trailer frame so they're ready to go on. That one looks decent to the frame, but it sags down, so get some off of the top edge. That one's good. Now let's shape the ends of them. So I want this to end here, and I want this to end here. So it's got that lip over the top. Still not quite ready to go. Oh, they need to be capped. So I need a flat piece that fits here and then weld it in there. And then they'll be ready to go on here. Alright, just got back from lunch. Right before I left, the battery died, but I had gotten one of these made. It fits in there nice and tight. That'll be perfect for when I weld it, so I won't have to clamp it or anything. Now I need to do 3 more. And money. So now, to get the bottom edge, I'm going to trace this, and I'm going to trace this. That way I got the inside and the outside, and I can make a informed decision on where I want to cut. Alright, let's see if we can get this one in there too, nice and tight. Beautiful. No light. No light through it. Beautiful. Time to weld these in.
They could consider to play out the rest of the hockey season, a reduced schedule, and or the playoffs.
Visit us online watch list. More like a to-do list. Am I right? High five.
1053thefox.com. As you and our community deal with a new way of life, working from home and social distancing, and the continuing question of when will things...
Now I've got these 4 all welded up, all grinded smooth, like nothing happened, and ready to go in. So number 2, number 1. That was a lot of work for these little guys. But there they are, ready to go. Now I'm going to start welding this front plate in the frame.
May 8th through the 10th.
You can submit, pay, and post your garage sale online.
Buy one, get one half off select Easter baskets, toys, and gifts.
Never afford after 9/11. That was our first crisis. Now here we are 11 years later. Completely opposite, yet worse. Finding your new routine. One thing that is on everyone's...
Urge everyone to shop responsibly. For the safety of yourself and our employees, please practice social distancing in our stores. Marketplace would like to thank all our customers for understanding in this difficult time. There's a lot going on in the world right now, but getting your tax refund is as important as ever. H&R Block is here.
Auto parts.
The free iHeartRadio app is always here to make sure you have access to the information you need. And just as important,
on what to buy, and more importantly, where to buy it. Whether it's...
That actually looks pretty good. Time to grind it smoother. Yeah. Now I gotta get some traction on here.
It's just turned up. Thank you for all you do. From the 4-day-to-fox.com. Keyword job connection.
Alright, now I got all these things welded on, my little sections. Now I need to trim the sides and trim those down to height. Now I accidentally put these gouges in, I gotta fix them. There you go, I just cleaned all the gouges off of this. Welded them back, welded them over, and then ground them down nice and smooth again. Well, I think that's it for today. Let's get this on the table and take a look. So here's today's summary and what to look forward to tomorrow. So today I got these guides welded on the plate. Got the plate welded in the front of the trailer here. I got the ramps welded on along with my little traction bars. So that pretty much wraps up the front of the trailer. As we move back, I didn't get anything else put on the trailer, but I still have these made and ready to go in. And today what I focused on was getting these done up and pretty. So I still have the bumper and everything too, but as you can see, I ground this nice and smooth. I welded the tops on, grounded this all smooth so it's like one piece. Then I trimmed the front to look like the real one with the overhang that matches the frame rail here. Got that welded in, smoothed it out. Did that for all 4 of those. So they're ready to go on. I also squared them up nicely to the frame. So they're ready to get welded. Boom. And that's that. So, a lot of work. Seems like I didn't get much done, but really did. I got a lot done today. And I can't wait to see the next time. I hope you guys do too. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Peace.